All right, and I'm going to tear down, well, not tear down, but I'm going to get at least the head off this engine today, because I'm probably going to use the block on this engine or from this motor, because it definitely looks a little bit better than old Scaly Boy over there. So the problem with this head is the tensioner bolt sheared off inside of it. So I need to get the head off this and a couple other bits and bobs and go from there. See how it goes. All right. The camshaft tensioner broke off while it was running. It does look like it bent some valves. Looks like it bent, unless these are just open. No, these are just open. Looks good, honestly. The block itself doesn't look good. There's a fucking beetle in there. That's cool. That's fine though. Yeah, it's not, you know, this one's definitely cleaner than that, that's for sure, but still pretty dirty. I'm going to strip this one down too, and then go from there. So it actually didn't take me too long to get this head off. I mean, obviously it's out of the car, the turbo's not on it, none of that shit's on it either, but I wonder how well you can see in there. Yeah, they don't look bent, they just, so I gotta get this tensioner out to put in that head and get it all cleaned up and go from there. So let's see here. Oh, this needs to come off. Oh, fucker. And then this will come off. Okay. Ooh. This might have gotten some heat to it. I don't know if you can see that. Let me wipe it off with an old dirty paper towel here, but definitely some hot marks right there on this cam. Place that there. Seal. There we go. Oh yeah, this has definitely got some wear. A little bit more than the other one, but this also had 300,000 miles on it, so here we go. Everything else in here looks great though. Wow, this gasket is on there, huh? See, that one has a little bit of wear on it too, but I don't know if you can see it there. Just a little bit. That one looks good. Screen looks good. This one is definitely in a lot better shape than the other one that I removed, so this is what... Oh yeah. That's got some nice tension to it. This is what we're going in that head. I don't know if I'm gonna put the chain in that head or not, or what else is gonna be going over there, but let's get this gasket off of here at least while I'm here. More garbage. Okay. Okay, so, I mean, overall, it's pretty good. I was missing a couple studs back there. Okay, I don't know what the fuck that was. Probably just gasket maker. You can even see some of the heat marks over there. Possibly, maybe. See all that blue in there? There's definitely some heat going through there. Which, I mean, obviously was my fault, but overall, it's not too bad. Stay tuned for more.